Hey there, Eco Warriors! Are you ready to make a stylish statement while saving the planet? Introducing you the BOPP Laminated Non-Woven Bags by Lichybeesexim. These bags are not just reusable, they are also crafted with precision and care by Lichybeesexim using top quality BOPP laminated material. Let's understand what is BOPP laminate. It stands for Biaxially Oriented Polypropylene, a fancy term for a super strong, durable and waterproof material that keeps your bag look fresh and vibrant, no matter what you put in through. With a variety of eye-catching designs and colors, these bags are perfect for any occasion. Whether you are heading to the market, beach or even just buying everyday essentials, Lichybeesexim has got you covered. And you know what's the best part? These bags are incredibly spacious and can hold all your essentials without tearing and wearing out. Plus, they are lightweight and easy to carry, making them the perfect companion for your busy lifestyle. Did you know that using reusable bags can significantly reduce plastic waste? So, by choosing Lichybeesexim BOPP Laminated Non-Woven Bags, you are making a positive impact on your environment. Every bag helps to reduce number of single-use plastics that ends up in our oceans and landfills. So, are you ready to make a switch? If yes, then contact us on the number given below or visit our website to grab your BOPP Laminated Non-Woven Bag today. Join the movement towards a more sustainable future with Lichybeesexim. Thanks for watching.